girls, they clutching at all their pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash at that? I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track, back to the long track. It's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was destined for greatness, but my mama also told me take care of the kids and everybody around the world that can fight for it.
Damn. Alright, so this unit compressor is not kicking on. We're going to go ahead and check voltage to it and go from there. I do know that the panel is not on. I do know that, but I mean compressor's off, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, so the voltage.
At 480.
480, okay. Other leg. 480, other leg. 480. Okay, so we do got power coming in. So check all legs. 480. Other leg. 480. 480. Alright, now check across. Yep. 480. Next one. 180. So there's the problem right there. Next one. 250. Alright, now check it to ground. See what leg we're missing. Ground. 279. Next one. 278. Next one. 74. We got a bad contact. So basically the middle section not going through. So go ahead and just shut it off, bro. And we'll just leave it off. Yeah, so we'll just disconnect Y1 and Y2. Well, Y2. No, Y1. Damn. Damn. Whoa. The heck? Is this thing bypass? Oh, that thing's broken. Yeah, see, because power comes in, goes to the top, comes out. Oh yeah, this thing's fucked. So this is why it's important, bro, to always check your power. This section right there is broken. Watch. So it's basically welded it shut.
Oh shit, they need a new disconnect, huh?
Yeah. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys coming in and hanging out with me today. For the giveaway, I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 winners. All you have to do is comment anything on the bottom of this video. Just comment, just leave a comment, no matter what it is. Just leave a comment. I'm gonna go ahead and pick 4 winners. Just one thing though, is gonna be just here for the US, because I can't ship them overseas because that's way too expensive. And the packages are already too heavy, and the shipping is gonna be pretty expensive. So, like I said, all you have to do is comment in. Follow me on Instagram. I posted a couple pictures of what I'm giving away. It's a bunch of stuff, so I'll go ahead and put a picture right now. So like I said, guys, comment anything down below. I want to give a big shout out and a big thank you to all the sponsors that provided the tools. I didn't buy none of the tools, and they were all for free, so I appreciate that a lot. Like I said, just comment down below. I'm gonna pick 4 winners. On the next video, I'm gonna pick 4 winners, and I'm gonna go ahead and just announce it in that video. And that's basically it. That's pretty simple. All you have to do is comment down below. So like I said, guys, appreciate you guys' support. Peace.